So I am here with the king of gutter cleaning right here. King of gutter cleaning. This is Donovan. We just cleaned out this gutter right up here. And is there really money in gutter cleaning?
You're making me look small by me standing this far back.
You're actually up on the hill too.
I need to stand. All right, there we go. Well, in about 10 minutes, we just made 500 bucks. So you tell me.
That's pretty freaking good. So commercial jobs, how do you get commercial jobs?
Networking. You can advertise, but your big leads like this is going to be networking. We do power washing here. We do gutter cleaning. We try to get them on Christmas lights. We'll see. And then we do some regular maintenance for parking lot cleaning up and stuff like that for these guys. So it's a big ongoing job, and we service multiple properties for them.
So Donovan is the king of networking, and he's the king of gutter cleaning. So with that said, you got anything wise words for somebody looking to get into gutter cleaning?
Give it a shot. It's a great add-on service, and it can be a great primary service. We have thousands, literally thousands of clients that we service every year. And commercial is a little bit different than residential, so you can kind of stick to what you know, and you get a job like this. Just make sure on commercial you're following all the safety guidelines, and whatever you do a good job, and you'll get more work.
Oh, that's hard.
There has to be access. I mean, we can reach it, but there should be a...
Or right here is where you can get up. That's your parapet wall there. Put a ladder up there.
Yeah, let's just grab, I'll do it on the back side of it. Oh, there's the culprit. Two of them. And a coffee cup.
Got the bottles and stuff in the roots.
All right. So this tree, look at all those bottles in there.
So these
That's
were like
what
growing.
caused the problem. It stopped it up, and then everything else just fell in there. So how tall is this tree right here?
Hey, Bill, bring it in and follow me going down the hatch.
There's a little bit
of everything. All kinds of crap. Now this is why we clean out our gutters. Okay, let's see how tall this thing is. Let's set it down here. So Jason, everybody knows how tall I am. It's coming up to about my shoulder height almost. Pretty tall. So there might be a course coming out eventually about gutter cleaning. So if you're thinking about looking at gutter cleaning, the King will be in it a lot. So check it out. If you got a YouTube channel, I'll put it down below. I'll see you in my next video.